Hello and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last weekend, in July 26th, the major indexes were mixed as both the S&P and Nasdaq declined while the Dow moved higher as investors digested the week's economic activity and await the Fed decision on interest rates this week. Existing home sales were weaker than expected, declining 5.4% in June. The median price of an existing home increased to a record $426,900 in June compared to $410,000 in June of last year, a 4.1% increase. New home sales were lower than expected, declining 0.6% in June and down 7.4% from last June. The median price of a new home was $417,300, while the average price was $487,200. Last June, the average price of a new home was $507,800. The first estimate of second quarter GDP was much stronger than expected, up 2.8% compared to the first quarter of the year. Durable goods orders had the lowest decline since April of 2020, down 6.6% in June as new orders of transportation equipment declined 20.5%, while new orders of defense aircraft and parts declined 127%. Personal income was weaker than expected, while personal consumption expenditures were slightly higher than expected, pushing the personal savings rate down to 3.4% in June. Year to date, the Dow is up 7.69%, the S&P is up 14.5%, and the Nasdaq is up 15.6%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 4.19%. Oil closed at $76.84 a barrel. Gold closed at $2,387.95 an ounce, with silver closing at $27.91 an ounce. For this week of July 29th, Tuesday we'll get the home price index, consumer confidence data, and job openings. Wednesday we'll get the ADP employment report, the Fed interest rates decision, and Fed Chairman Powell's comments on the economy. Thursday, initial jobless claims, the ISM manufacturing data, and construction spending will be reported. And on Friday, the U.S. employment report, the unemployment rate, average hourly wages, and factory orders all will be reported. And as always, we keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. If you have any questions with anything you've heard in this video, please give us a call. Also, if you have investable assets of $300,000 or more, we can provide you with a complimentary financial plan. Call for details. We are accepting new clients. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.